Pegasus. This is a highly sophisticated mobile spyware originally discovered targeting journalists, activists, and political figures. It is believed to come from a private surveillance company and can silently access messages, calls, microphones, and cameras without obvious signs. What makes it different is its ability to infect phones through simple message links or even missed calls. It matters because it shows how mobile devices can become full surveillance tools without the user realizing it. Cases linked to this spyware raised global debates about digital privacy and government monitoring. Joker. This Android malware became known for secretly subscribing users to paid services without consent. It usually hides inside seemingly normal apps like wallpapers, messaging tools, or casual games downloaded from app stores. Its strength is stealth, often delaying harmful actions so security scans miss it. Financial loss is the main impact, but it also exposes personal data during the process. It reminds users that even official app platforms can sometimes host hidden threats. HummingBad. This malware family appeared mainly on Android devices and was linked to large-scale advertising fraud. It quietly gained root access, installed fake apps, and generated fraudulent ad clicks to produce revenue for attackers. Unlike simpler viruses, it actively resisted removal and could reinstall itself after deletion attempts. This persistence made infected phones slow, unstable, and insecure. Its story highlighted how cybercrime can turn millions of everyday phones into profit machines. FluBot. This banking trojan spread widely through SMS messages, pretending to be delivery notifications. Once installed, it overlaid fake login screens on banking apps to capture credentials. It also accessed contact lists to continue spreading itself automatically. The danger lies in how convincing its messages look, often matching real-world delivery trends. Many financial theft cases were linked to this malware during peak outbreaks. Xhelper. This persistent Android malware gained attention because it kept reinstalling itself even after factory resets. It hid in obscure system directories and used multiple survival techniques. The virus generated unwanted ads and downloaded additional harmful apps in the background. Users often noticed battery drain and unusual data usage before realizing something was wrong. Its resilience demonstrated how some mobile threats evolve beyond simple app-based infections. Agent Smith. Named after the fictional character, this malware replaced legitimate apps with infected versions without user awareness. It initially spread through third-party app stores, especially in regions with heavy unofficial app usage. The main goal was advertising fraud, but it also opened doors for further malicious activity. Its clever disguise made infected apps appear normal on the surface. The case emphasized risks associated with downloading apps outside official stores. Anubis. This Android trojan combined banking theft, keylogging, and ransomware functions into one package. It could record keystrokes, capture screenshots, and even lock devices demanding payment. Its multi-function design made it versatile for cybercriminal operations. Users often discovered it only after financial loss or device lockout. The blend of spying and extortion marked an evolution in mobile malware strategy. SharkBot. This banking malware specialized in automated money transfers directly from infected devices. It used advanced techniques like automatic transaction systems to move funds without manual attacker control. It also avoided detection by disabling certain security prompts. The automation aspect made it especially dangerous because theft could happen instantly. It reflects how mobile banking convenience can also introduce new cyber risks.